dear customers, this is Anna from Manpack. We specialize in packing machine and filling machine line over 16 years. We support it for OEM and ODM orders. Today, let me introduce one of our customized stick powder packing machine and connection with the Cartoning taste beef box packing machine to you. And this packing machine is suitable for your whey powder, grease powder, and also milk powder. This is packing into 5 grams. You can customize for your different range. And this speed is around for 80 to 120 bags per minute. And for the box machine, it is for the 8 to 10 box per minute. So let's see the machine one by one. So this is the first part of this stick Multilane 4-lane packing machine. So this is start from the vacuum feeder on the top and feeding the powder into this auger screw measuring. And this is controlled by the servo motor. You can say Panasonic 4 servo motors on the top. And then we use screw measuring for your different grams here. And then we add the vibration to, this is for your powder, easy to go into the back former. This is pulling the stick back former. So it will be vertical sealing here. And after that, there will be the animated static for that the powder to not easy to stick on the back. And then will be go the horizontal sealing. So this is the irregular horizontal sealing with a round color here. And this is for the cooling system. After the horizontal sealing, they will have high temperature, so cooling down here. And then there will be the cutting system, the round color cutting and easy here, white here. And after that, they will go with the second part. This is the counting system. So this is a finished bag will be go here, and there will be the sensor to sensor for the finished bag on the counting conveyor. The counting numbers is very easy to setting. So you can see it vary for the counting detection time and counting the numbers. Also can be changed here on the touch screen. It's very easy to change your different counting stick bags. It is controlled by the servo motor here. And this is after the counting, they will go into the collection hopper here. And then they will, after counting well, they will go to the conveyor. So this is the third part. It is for the user menu feeder. So you can see, this is the user menu. It will fitting together with the stick, counting well stick bag. And this is the IMAX sensor. And this is controlled by the servo motor here. Okay, after that, we will go into the gift box machine. This is box type is insert box type. So you can say top and bottom, or it is the insert one. Okay, so this is the 8 servo motor for the box machine. So the first thing it is for the bags fitting, and this pick up of the one bag is by the servo motor here. And after that, they will be open the bag with the suction cups by the servo motor. And after that, there is the finished stick bag and user menu will use the servo motor for pushing into the box. And then they will insert the lips. Insert the lips here. So you can see here, the first insert the left lips and right lips here. And then we use the servo motor for folding for this, the top legs. Just folding with this. And after this, you can see they will be insert. It is also controlled by the servo motor here. And after that, the finished insert box will go with this two-side clamp belt design, so it will be easier to go into the finished conveyor here. Okay, this is the last part for this box machine. It is insert inkjet printer, so you can print with your expiry date batch number here. So that's all of the whole step 9. Let's see how it's running now. My dear customer, if you have any new inquiries and new orders, you can contact us at below website. We are always there waiting for you. Bye bye.